So hey YouTube, I'm getting ready to do a review on these products that I received from Influenster. I have my lovely assistant Xavier. We're actually gonna do his hair. We're gonna show you his hair before, when it's just furrowed out. He actually has used this product yesterday and the day before yesterday. We have the curling jelly in his head, but today I just want to show you how we get his curls. So I want you guys to stay tuned and enjoy the video. Bye. Hey guys, so I received this product from Influenster. This is sponsored by Garnier Fructis. This is the Curl Treats Leave-In Stylers box. I received 2 of the full-size products. All of these products are 98% naturally derived ingredients. So that means it's good for your hair. Inside the box, it says 24-hour frizz control. There's actually one for defining, but I only received the jelly shaping for all hair types, and then the normal course for hydrating. So this is the butter, hydrating butter, and again, as you can see, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorant, no mineral oils. So I'm gonna just show you how this looks. You open that for me. So yeah, it's like a legit butter. And then we have the Garnier Fructis style curl treat, the jelly shaping, and this for all hair types. Same thing, no paraben, no silicone. Have them open that for me as well. And this is like a legit jelly texture. So this one, see that? It's jelly. And I use this to style the hair, and the butter I use for hydrating, adding moisture to the hair. Can see, this is how his hair is, all picked out, all frowned out. He has probably like a 4Z texture. No, but he probably does have like 4C, mainly 4C curls in his head. So now I'm gonna go ahead and braid his hair, and then you'll get the final result. So what I've done so far was did one single braid inside of his head. It's very messy. I'm not a great braider, and I have long nails on, so couldn't quite grip his hair, but I'm sure a professional braider will be able to get his hair. I'm just putting them in some Meek Mill braids straight to the back. And this for all hair types. And this is for normal or coarse hair. That's what he has. So I've been using this to moisturize his hair. It has no sulfates, silicones, no parabens, artificial colorants, no mineral oil. And it's Garnier Fructis style curl treat, and it's 98% natural ingredients. Yep, and smells okay. How does it smell to you?
It smells good. And
it says 24-hour frizz control. So this is what I've been using the butter to moisturize his hair. So I just sectioned off a part of his hair. And I'm just using, like dabbing a finger and using just a little bit on there.
You don't need much, just wet and wavy.
And this is how we braid it to get his curls like super defined, almost like a twist out. So yeah, basically I just braided his hair. It looks so terrible, but these are the best braids that I could do considering my nails, the length of his hair, the coarseness of his hair. So this is what I got, but yeah, so there's some struggle braids, but they're gonna give him the result that we normally get. He actually prefers me to do the individual plaques in his head, but they take forever, like hours. So I just did these, probably take like 15 to 20 minutes. And in the back, he has some individual plaques where the hair was shorter. So there you have it. All right, so the hair has been taken out. You can see it's a little bit more defined now. I'm gonna get his shaping brush, curling brush, and then I'll be back. All right, so now that his braids have been taken out, you can see that it's a little bit more defined. And we're gonna use the Garnier Fructis Curl Treat Shaping Jelly. And this is for all hair types. So we're gonna use just a little bit of this. About this much. Rub it in. That's probably too much. Yeah, that was too much. So you only really need a little bit of this stuff. You don't really need a lot. Because it is. Then we use one of these little tools here. How much is this? Like $6 at the beauty supply store?
Yeah,
like $6, $7. $7. And we're gonna use the spiky side. This is the side he likes to use. We're gonna use that side. And just go on like circular motions. I'm gonna have him do it because I know he has a certain type of way that he likes it, but I'm just kind of breaking them apart a little bit. All right, you can go ahead and work your magic, work your magic. So you can see there's a lot of definition in his hair. Xavier, move your hand real quick. Push your hair down. You can see there's a lot of definition there. We're gonna have him finish styling it like he likes it, and then we'll be back. So as you can see, his hair is complete. You can see that his hair is a little bit more defined now. Just gonna go through the products that we use. So you definitely need one of these curling brushes here. You need one of those. We use this side for his look today. We use this tiny little brush on his like edges and where his head is like tapered. We also use a picking comb, just kind of fluff out his hair a little bit at the root. And then we use the clip to section off his hair when we're braiding. And then to finish it off, we use this pink glosser spray. And of course, I want to thank Garnier Fructis for collabing with Influenster. These products were sent to me We use the Curl Treat butter and the jelly shaping gel. So these are the products that we use. Hope you guys enjoyed his hair. I'm gonna try to get some shots of his hair so you guys can see everything. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys later.